Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I've come back with a brand new review of a product from Melissa & Doe, the Melissa & Doe ABC123 Abacus. This is an educational toy from Melissa & Doe for toddlers above the age of 2. So I bought this toy for my daughter and she is extremely loving this product. She has been using it from the age of like 18 months. When she was 18 months, I had bought it for her, and she has been extremely attracted to it and has been using it on a daily basis. She has been playing around with it and she has a lot of fun with it. So I really love Melissa & Doe products. One reason, because they are made out of wood, so there's no toxic material on it at all. It is completely natural wood here. The complete frame here, the whole thing is made out of wood. Even this flip cards here, or the flip things here, are made out of wood. So which is completely natural and nice and safe for babies. The only thing, it is a bit too heavy, but toddlers up to the age of 2 can easily handle it and shouldn't have a problem with it. Moving ahead, let me just show you all what all features do we have in this ABC Abacus from Melissa & Doe. So first of all, we have all the alphabets of the English language from A to Z here, and then we have the numbers starting from 1 to 10. Right now, the fun part about this abacus is, like, your child can learn the alphabets, and along with the alphabets they can learn new words. Like, they can just see, there is, if you can see this, there are alphabets here, and on the other side there are actually pictures here. So if I turn this, each of these blocks have a picture. So it's a double-sided thing, right? They have an alphabet on the front side and an image behind, a corresponding image behind. Like, if you all can see this, there is A for apple, and there's an image of an apple behind. And there's B for basket, and there's an image of a basket. C for carrots, and there's an image of a carrot behind. So which is amazing. Like, the games, there are limitless possibilities of games that you can play with your children, like find the alphabet or find the image, or you can just show them an image and ask them to tell you what that image is. Like, what is this? The child will say apple. You can then ask them, like, with which letter does apple start, and then you can say A for apple. So there are limitless possibilities of learning with this amazing educational toy from Melissa & Doe. I'm sure your child is going to have a lot of fun learning from this. Moving on to the numbers. So in the numbers also, it's a double-sided thing. There are the numbers on one side, and when you flip it, there's like a design here. Like, it shows 1 with a 1 dot, 2 has 2 dots, 2 colorful dots, 3 has 3 colorful dots. So a very nice thing, a very good product from Melissa & Doe here. This product just doesn't teach your child the alphabets and new words. It also helps them to improve their hand-eye coordination. Like, to learn things or to play with this, the child has to actually flip these blocks here. You all can see this. Each of these blocks can be easily flipped, and it's very easy for the child to flip as well. My daughter has been having a lot of fun with this. It is very colorful, very interactive, and I'm sure your child is going to be glued to this product here. Moving on to the price of this product, I bought it from Amazon for rupees 1500, and from the time my child has been using it, I think it's completely worth the money. So if you all want to buy this product, make sure to go to my description. There's a link given there. Go to Amazon and buy this product. This is one product that is really useful and completely recommended for a toddler.